So our next phrase is, to what do I owe the pleasure?
So, Peter, what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
So to what do I owe the pleasure is just a question asking, why are you here? What do you want? So basically someone has come in to your space, your room, they've knocked on your door. I don't know, they have found you somewhere. They've come in probably unexpectedly, definitely unexpectedly. This wasn't like a friend that was like, hey, let's have lunch at noon. Nope, this is not what happened. They just kind of showed up. They showed up unannounced. You may have thought they could be possibly coming, but you definitely weren't expecting them to come. And you know they have things to say. They want to talk to you. Maybe it's something good. Maybe it's something bad. You don't know. That's what you're asking. To what do I owe the pleasure? This could be a little sarcastic. Borderline sarcastic, because you're like, what are you here for? What do you want? Hi, can I help you? So it can be as nice or as sarcastic as you like. It's not really mean, but it can be sarcastic. Now, you could make it really nice. Maybe you showed up at your grandma's house, unexpected, with like a pie. And she's like, hi, sweetheart, to what do I owe the pleasure? So it could definitely be something great like that. Or in this case, in this movie, it's like, oh, look at you showing up at my door. So to what do I owe the pleasure? So it's a little more sarcastic. It could get more sarcastic than that, but it's definitely not, hey, I'm so happy to see you. I'm so glad you came. To what do I owe the pleasure? What made you decide to stop by? Yeah, no, it's not like that. Could be, you could use it that way, but not in this movie. In this movie, it's definitely like, what you doing here? Fancy seeing you here. Nice of you to show up. To what do I owe the pleasure? So this is like kind of a standalone question. You really can just ask this. Someone just shows up. Knock, knock, knock. To what do I owe the pleasure? Hi. To what do I owe the pleasure? You don't really have to use it with anything else. You're just asking, what you doing here? And that's it. That's all it means.